Homemade brownies ni Dada. Ang sarap-sarap po niya kasi crispy siya sa outside but it is so soft from the inside. Tapos lasang-lasa po yung chocolate flavor niya. Nilagay niya dito is Cadbury for the chocolate. And then cocoa. Tapos marami pong butter. And then my egg, I guess. Hindi po kasi ako nanood on how he cooked this. Alam ko po pinagluto muna niya to on a low fire, and then he mixed all the ingredients. Tapos nilagyan niya po ng flour and then melted butter with egg, and then nung na-mix na niya well, saka niya po nilagay sa oven. Yung peanuts as well are very crispy and it's not so difficult to chew. It's so yummy.